Alright guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. It's been just a little minute. It's been a minute. Once again, Happy New Year to everyone. The time has come. I know I have spoken about it before, but the time has come. The time has come for me to say goodbye to Live Glam Morphe Me.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
I've been signed up with them for over 3 years. So $19.99 a month, anywhere from 5 to 8 brushes. So I think I've accumulated enough brushes. And if you're a makeup artist like I am, cleaning brushes, it's not the best fun. It's not the best fun. So between myself and my kit, I'm done. I'm done with Morphe Me. Not that I was just dissatisfied or anything like that. I just have enough brushes. I have enough brushes, so I would use that for something else. I would use that money for something else. So saying goodbye, I accumulated lots of rewards, and I actually cannot remember how many rewards I had because I didn't touch them. I just let them accumulate. So I want to say I had over 3,000 and something rewards. So I just went through their rewards page and picked out some things. I tried to use all of my rewards money so I can go ahead and cancel my subscription. So today I'm going to show you the things that I picked out. I'm not sure. I might do some swatches here and there, so bear with me. They actually sent them, well, I don't know why. I did it all at one time, but they sent them all individually. So actually I do know why, because from your rewards you can either pay for shipping or you can get those points taken out for shipping out of your rewards. So they actually sent each one individually so they can charge you shipping. Anyway, at the end of the day, it was still free. So I'm just going to go through the ones I chose. So for the first one I received is called Leprechaun. And I'm going to go ahead and take this off so we can check out Leprechaun. And just in case I want to use this in my kit, I'm going to use my F palette here to apply this. Oh my gosh, I've never had a green like this. It smells good. All right, so this is the color Leprechaun by Live Glam. And of course you guys know you can use the matte lip as eyeliner, so that would be really nice as a wing liner. What do you guys think about the green? I kind of like it. We're just going to continue to open because, as always, I can't remember what I ordered. All right, so next one I have. Ooh. All right, and there's a little card on the inside, looks like in all of them. It says, hey gorgeous, congrats, you just picked up an awesome free prize. Feels good, doesn't it? Yes, it does, to get free products, but you know, I was signed up with them long enough. So all right, let's go into the next color. I'm gonna be looking forward to my lip oil after trying all these lippies. All right, the next color we have is also by Live Glam, Kiss Me. The color on this is Vanity Fur Metallic. That's pretty. All right, again, that one was Vanity Fur Metallic, Live Glam Kiss Me. And of course they have more options for rewards based on how many rewards you have and you know how you want to stretch your rewards. They had eyeshadow palettes, brushes, and other things as well. So you know, like I said, so based on what your wants are, you can use your rewards on whatever you want. All right, so the third package we have here called Lucky Charm. I love that rose gold color. Very pretty. Muted pink looks like. This one I might need a lip liner with. We'll try it on and see. Okay. Since this one's on the lighter side, when I wear nude colors or colors this light, I just kind of put it in the center of my lip and blend it out. That again was Lucky Charm. All right, we're just gonna keep going and see what we get next. All right, package number 4. This one just says Live Glam. It doesn't say Kiss Me. That one's called First Class. Same thing with that one. That one's fairly light. So, put it in the center. And just for reference so you guys can see, those are the 2 colors right here. So you can see the difference. This is the one I'm trying on now. That one's okay for like a everyday pinky nude. All right, package number 5. Let's see what we have here. Same card. Ooh, this is cute. Aw, look at that. How cute is that? This color is called Magical Kisses. I would assume this is a gloss. Let's find out. This is going to be refreshing after trying on all those mattes. Feels good, but it's not my lip oil. I can tell this is one of those glosses you have to apply every 10 minutes. Definitely feels good though. Feels good. Especially after the mattes, like I said. All right, so that one is called Magical Kisses. That was item number 5. Here's item number 6. All right, item number 6 is a repeat. I must have not had many options, so I would definitely put this one in my kit. This one is a repeat of Vanity Fur Metallic, so I would definitely put that one in my kit. Here is the last option. Is a brush. The brush I chose, I really like this brush. I like using this brush on my clients to contour with. So this is my go-to brush to contour and powder my clients. So I just picked up another one of those, and this one is, I have several of these. I know I probably have about maybe 8 of these. And this is Morphe M104. Okay, that's how that looks. Well, that was nice. I actually ended that well because my lips were getting really dry and hurting from the matte lippy. So those are all the free things I got from my rewards with Morphe Me. So yeah, that is the end of the relationship with me and Morphe. Not Morphe, but Morphe, you know, the Live Glam. I'm good on the brushes. It's time to move on to another subscription service, which I have already signed up already. It's not beauty related. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it, guys. All right, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please consider following me on Instagram at LRH Makeup, and also _beauty over 40. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. And all right, so that is it for today, guys. Until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.